All right, let's practice and get into the flow. Feet shoulder width apart, standing correctly where the knees soften down, the pelvis rolls forward a little bit, the tongue is behind the teeth, the head reaches up like an invisible string is connecting you directly to the heavens. The arms float away from the body, even the fingers are soft, like a little wisp of breeze could send you into motion. And from here, that little wisp of breeze raises up. We inhale, it's like a dream. We exhale and soften back down. A gentle, easy motion as we inhale, floating up. Exhale down. Breathe it in as we float up. Out, back down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. We'll bring the hands around so that now your left hand is underneath the right and we're holding a ball. I'll go ahead and turn around now that you've got this. Turn your right foot 45 degrees. Let your head sink right into that right leg. It gets soft as you step forward. Notice the space. Shift your weight forward and bring that left arm around. So the head is up, the heel is down. The left arm is right in line with this leg. The right arm is down. Good. Bring the hips back. Sink into this right knee. Bring the right arm around, the left arm underneath. Push from the right leg forward. Bend the left knee and turn. Find this picture. Back. You might want to sink a little bit, bending that right leg, drawing you back, around, push from right, forward. Sink, pull back, around. Feel comfortable here. Relax the shoulders. Push forward. Keep that back heel on the ground. 90-degree bend in the left leg. Shoulders are soft. The head is up. Back, around, and forward. Back, step in. Turn the left foot 45 degrees. These little transitions are important too. Sink your head right through. The leg is soft. The right foot steps out and a little bit to the right so we're not in line. And our left hand comes up on top. The right hand is underneath. And as we push forward, notice the balance. The left hand goes down, the right hand comes up, and we push forward. Excellent. Turn the hand over. You're going to sink into the stance, bending the left leg, pull back, and from the back leg, turn the waist, push forward, and the right arm moves up. Sink back, left arm holds the ball, shift forward. Notice the alignment. The head is up, the shoulder is soft. The arm doesn't go past the knee, it's here. You sink back into the left foot, hold the ball, forward into the right. Back into the left foot, hold the ball, forward, and to the right. Excellent. Step back, right foot 45 degrees. We step forward with the left, and we're going to bring our right hand out like so. And this little movement, it's out, think elbow, ear, and then it's the same movement we push forward. So we come back, make sure this heel stays on the ground, turn your waist to the right, elbow, ear, and the waist turns, pushing forward. Push back. The right arm comes out. The left arm comes to the elbow, the ear, and it's a matter of pushing and turning your waist to let that high five go forward, and this hand brushes right past the knee. We go back. Go ahead and just bring it back. Elbow, sweep, and push. Excellent. We'll step back, turn this back foot 45 degrees, step forward. Here we have our left hand out. The right hand comes in, elbow, ear, and from the back foot, forward, turn the waist, and continue this motion with the left hand going forward. Back, elbow, ear, forward. I'll do a little more advanced version now, going out, keeping that nice fluid motion, forward, back, forward, back, and forward. Excellent. We can step it back. From here, we already know the stance for this one. So let's come back to hold the ball. And we're going to put this whole thing together where we step forward, bring the arm up, push forward, reach, sink, pull back, hands come together, push forward, hands separate, pull back, sink, push forward. Very nice. We'll turn it around. Hold the ball the other way. Step. Arm goes up, push forward. Reach. Notice? Not reaching, reaching. You see the huge change in my body? There. Sink. Back. Hold. Push. Open. Back. And forward. Excellent. You'll notice that whole thing is the same. So you want to get really, really good with stepping and moving. This is the difference between good Tai Chi and great Tai Chi. The better you can connect with the earth and use your body to turn everything, it allows a sense of lightness. It allows a sense of fluidity. It lets you stay balanced the entire time, and hence, it is the fundament. It is the absolute base of Tai Chi.